Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some extra long stiletto nails inspired by some really cool art that I saw on Instagram. So if you want to see how I did these, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off by applying YFI acrylic from Glitter Bells onto my clear sculpted base. And if you want to see how I sculpted these, check out my last video. I'll put it in the cards. And I'm using CJP's Big Boy brush. Love that brush. Great brush. Awesome. Amazing. Spectacular. And then after I apply this acrylic, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate with Glitter Bells Clear. And I've been having problems with that acrylic lately. And it's really sad. And you will see that there's some bubbles after application, but I do make them go away. But I think it's because my layers are really thin and I'm supposed to be using thicker or bigger beads when I'm encapsulating, which is annoying because I don't like to use huge beads when I encapsulate, but you know what? I'm gonna have to learn. So after encapsulation, we're gonna move on to hand painting these eyes. Did you guys like that ASMR? I thought I would put it in there because I love clickety clacking my nails. Now we're getting into like the actual design. So I'm hand painting these eyes that I saw on this post on Instagram a few months back. And when I saw these, I just knew, when I saw that art, I just knew I had to put it on my nails. And you'll see more of my inspiration later on when we get to that part of the design. I'm using my Hella Cute liner brush from Nails by Dev. I absolutely love this brush. It has made hand painting so much more smoother and a little bit easier for me because hand painting is definitely not easy and I don't really do it a lot, and I was really scared to do it, but now that I have this brush, I'm a lot more confident. And these eyes took me about 3 hours each. Very tedious. I mixed a red and blue to get that purple for the iris, and then I mixed white in my purple to get the highlight of the eye. And then now I mixed red and black for the eyelids, and then I'm just gonna do the top first and I'm gonna go on the bottom lid. This process is really nice to watch, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch this and I will be back. You might notice the lighting in some of these hand painting clips is a little weird, but it's gonna get better. I was like filming and I didn't realize my settings were off, so my apologies, but it does get better. Now I'm doing the highlights on the eye. This was really hard to accomplish. trying to get it, like trying to make it look like the reference photo. It was really difficult. But now I'm moving on to the second eye, because when I was trying to film doing the eyelashes on the first eye I did, it was super hard. So I just decided to, do it without filming, and then I was gonna do the next eye and try and film that. So I'm only showing you one half of each side, because I kid you not, it's so hard to hand paint while filming, because I need my face to be in my nail. But I hope this gives you a glimpse into how hard I worked on these eyes. These eyelashes are amazing, and I wish my eyelashes looked like that. Okay, I'm gonna be back now. Alright, so now we are on to the rest of the design, and we are adding some lace stickers that I got from Amazon. And I wanted to add these because you will see I'm going to pull up a picture of a pumpkin and there's lace on it, and I really wanted to include the lace element. There it is. I really wanted to include that. So I put that around the eyes, and now we're going to add some spikes. I got these spikes off Etsy, these little ones. These ones are not real metal, but the ones I put on my thumb, and I believe I do put one on my index finger, those are real metal and they didn't turn. And they were super heavy, but they didn't feel heavy on my nails. I saw spikes and pearls, and I just knew these would look so good on some really long stiletto nails, and I was right. I was so right about that. And these pearls are also from Etsy. Girl, I get everything from Etsy. Like, don't sleep on Etsy, please don't. You can see I have stickers on my other hand as well. I ended up taking those off because I didn't like it, and it made me think of Sexy Christmas, and I didn't want that. I didn't want that vibe coming through. So I took it off. It was a labor to try and take it off, but I did it because I really didn't like it. And that just shows you, if you don't like something, take it off. Don't just let it sit there. Oh, here we go. Here's that big spike. I had to use acrylic because there's a hole in it, because they're made for putting them in clothes with like a screw in the back. So I had to use acrylic, and it worked just fine. Look at that thing. That thing is huge. I hurt people with that. I hurt myself with that. Listen, PSA. These nails are not for the weak. These nails are dangerous. I don't know why people don't say, like, hey, stiletto nails are dangerous and you can hurt yourself. Nobody wants to say that. Nobody wants to be honest and say that you can hurt yourself. I'm gonna say it. It's painful and it's hard to wear these nails, these stiletto nails. I ended up filing them down because I kept hurting myself. So please, just be careful, and you don't have to keep them sharp the whole time. If you can't handle it, then file them. Okay, I'm done talking. So now we are doing the thumb bling, and I'm realizing that probably half of this video is just like the application of all of the pearls and the spikes and the painting, but I think that's okay. So I really wanted to do the design of the spikes surrounded by pearls, but my voice just cracked. But I wanted to do it like on my index finger, my middle finger or something, but I knew it wasn't big enough. There wasn't enough area, and I wanted it to be a big spike. So of course I had to use my thumb because my thumb is the biggest finger, whatever. But I really wanted to do it like on my index finger or something. But yeah, this was fun. This was nice. Look how long my nails are. Oh my goodness. I feel like everybody should do this at one point in their life though. But honestly, I'm not even gonna lie, like I can't go shorter than this ever again. My next stiletto nails that I'm gonna do are gonna be this length. So yeah, I mean, you can't stop me anymore. I've reached my happy length. And my happy length is extra, extra, extra long. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with struggling because it looks damn good. Okay, now we're doing more stickers. I thought this looked like Sexy Christmas. Still, to this day, I think it looks like Sexy Christmas, and it kind of hurts me. But it's not. It's not Sexy Christmas. And here's another reference photo for my middle and index finger placement. They are the same, so I'm only showing my middle finger because, you know, we get it. And then after that, I'm gonna put some glitter gel polish underneath my nails because I needed glitter. I'm very extra about things like that, so I did that. And that gel polish is rainbow silver from CJP, and it's amazing. And then after that, we're gonna top coat, and then we're gonna be done. final result. Oh my goodness, these are so long. Like I said, I went all the way to the end of the forms on this one. In my previous video, you'll see how I sculpted my base. But yes, look at that glitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, bye-bye.